Hey everybody, Saberlocal coming in with another video. Gonna be opening up some Obsidian Flames. Got myself a booster box. Let's see if I can pull the gold Charizard or the alternate artwork Charizard. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
I'll try to open this one a little faster for you guys. Crack this open. Booster. Okay, there we go. Start with the left side. Okay, we're starting off with the Charizard artwork. Yeah. There you guys go. Yeah, I'm cracking this video. Magnemite, Vesta, Pupitar, Geta. Okay, reverse, and Togekiss as our hollow. So, starting off with not so good a hit. Let's go ahead and get our next one going. Crank things a little faster. Okay. Electrite, Larvitar, Magnemite, we got an Eevee, Stoutlet, Frogger, Rhyme, Bronzer, and our first hit, we get Ice Cube EX. It's cool. Okay. First hit. See if I can do like Pokered and pull 2 gold Charizards in one booster box. Or will I get 0? Don't know. Rowlet, Pidgey, Smolet, Poltergeist, Ninetales, Magnezone. We got a Darkrai Hollow. Okay. So no banger in the next pack. Let's get to the next one. I hope you guys are able to get something good on the game with all those code cards. Condor, Combi, Bigfoot, Sharkito, Fuxel. Oh, I'm seeing something right there. Ah, just a Greedo Hollow. Okay. Nothing on that one. Hoping to get something good. Hope I don't get rigged and only get 1 hit out of this box. Would not be good. Orbital, Doug Trio. Another Dark Trio. Oh, okay. We got a Bellibolt. Okay. That's it. And we got Entei. So we got a dog. It's at least something. Let's go. Okay. Rowlet, Baltor, Vincent, Lavesta, Kingston, Camera, into just a hollow Scizor. Alrighty. Actually, wouldn't mind pulling that Ninetales artwork, because that one looks pretty cool too. Okay. Let's go ahead and bring the energy to the front. So the final card would be our hit. Okay. So, Houndour, Pebble, Houndoom, Bramble, and just a Toxtricity. Another non-one. No banger in that one. You can just call me Unlucky Saber. That's what we're going to call me from now on. Let's pull something big. Oh, we know it's Leaf Energy. Bring it to the front. Fungus, Pidgey, Witwick, Yungus, Lapras. Okay, we got a Vulpix. And we got another EX. Get a Glimmora EX. Okay, another hit. I'd prefer the Dragonite EX. Or Charizard EX, but whatever. You guys go. I think this is just a normal hollow in this one. Valtoy, Carvana, Grumpig, Lillipup, Agrita, and a Darkrai. Okay. Sorry if I'm going a little fast for you guys. You guys can always slow down the video if you need to. You get those code cards. Okay. Ooh, I like that Charmander artwork. That's actually pretty cool. Dratini, Oddish, Swablu, Pupitar, Bellibolt, and we get a Dolphin. Okay, Paladin. This left side's not doing so good. 3 hits. Well, if I end up with only 3 hits on the left, I hope that right side has a ton of bangers in it. There we go. A Chunk, Fungus, Nose Pass, Letwick, Trevenant, Bellibolt, Flamingo, Floatzel, and we get a gold card. We get an Artisan. Out of all the gold cards, we get the only one I don't want. Okay, well, we did get a hit. No Charizard, unfortunately, or the Fire Energy. I hate to see it. Hate to see it. Okay. Hit card. Doesn't mean we're over yet. Tadpole, Machamp, Barboach, Poltergeist, Toad, Ninetales, Charmander, Dratini, and a Claydol as a holo. Not looking good, but plenty more packs to go. There you guys go. Okay. Dino, Charmander, Dratini, Oddish, Bronzong. Ooh, Charmeleon. I'm really liking that. Toxtricity. Another non-hit. Got in 4. Come on, come on. Okay, let's see what that energy is. Fire energy. Okay. Wiglet. Togepi, Bronzely, Dugtrio, Houndstone. And we get a Togekiss as a holo. Still not what we're wanting. Almost halfway through the box. Come on, be good to us. Leaf energy. There's a Dolphin. Limit, Ryan, Pidgeotto, Dragoneer, and we get a Darkrai holo. Not feeling so good about this. Maybe I can do a little better. Sorry about the mess, people. And we got Psychic Energy as we're starting off. Put it upside down. And okay, got multiple cards upside down. Scyther, Sora, Houndoom, Reverses, and a Greeta again. Like the most common holo in this set. It's funny, my second pack ever of Obsidian Flame, I pulled the alternate artwork Charizard. And now I'm having a hard time pulling it again. Bisharp, Mungus, Seismic, and another Scizor holo. Oh, last pack on the left side. So this will be our halfway point. Okay. Go. Melton. Conyon. Grumpig. Got a Diglett reverse. Okay, we got a Larvitar. That's pretty cool. Like that. And a Dolphin to finish this off. On to our next one. Right side. Let's do see if it does any better. I'm gonna put that pile over there. See if the right side gets more hits. Which one do you guys think is going to win? The right or the left? I'm hoping the right now. Charmander, Dratini, Stun, R2 reverses, into a Claydol holo. Starting off with no hits. Who knows, maybe I'll get the Tyranitar EX. It's my, I guess, second favorite over Charizard's the favorite. Let's go. Vulpix. Charmeleon. You get the Charmeleon. There's the Charizard. Greeta. Greeta is Greeta. How many times am I going to pull that card? Okay, good sign. Fire energy. That's a good sign, I hope. Pebble. Umbreon. And... okay, Thunderous. Okay, still no hits. Come on, Obsidian Flame. Where is the fire? Okay. We need some fire in the house. Condor and nothing again. Oh, this is bad. Let's go. Ah! Come on, give me some fire, Danini, and a Togekiss again. Okay, that's our left side. We still got that whole stack. Right side, no cards. Yeah, that's the card for you guys. Come on, give me a hit. First one, we got a Koraidon EX. Okay, that's technically a hit. I'll take it. Not the best hit, but it's a hit. I think you're guaranteed one full REX in a box, so we'll see what I get. I'm lucky. Charizard? I'm lucky. If not, Avatar maybe? Oh, not in that pack. Darkrai. Oh no, I'm running out of packs. Guys. I don't know, I do like Obsidian Flame, but I know the set I'm looking forward to is 151 Bell Peppers. 151 is I think it's going to be an amazing set, especially off that artwork. It looks like it's going to be awesome. Planning to open up a ton of 151 when it comes out. Go. Ponyard. Come on, Word Trio. And we got the Pidgeot for it. Hell yeah. Man, that thing does look amazing. Look at that sparkle. Oh, that is definitely one of the cards I want. Woo! There's my full art. That thing's amazing looking. Bullet, Baltoy, that stuff. Stunfish. Huh! And right afterwards, I get Pidgeotto. Okay. Can I get the Pidgey to finish it off? Scizor? We'll see. Pidgeotto and the Pidgeot. That's for you guys. We're almost there, people. Another Greta. The curse of Greta. There you go. Come on. Unicorn cookies. And toxicity. Nothing good on that one. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. There you go. Alright. Going through these. And just played all hollow. Alright, people. Down to our last 5 packs. Let's do this. Holo Charizard in this one. Or in any of these. Nope. That's a Dolphin. That's not a Charizard. He's on the front of the thing. I like I'm gonna have better luck with an ATV or something. And just a hollow bell pepper. Let's go. Get through this. Ah, got a Houndoom EX. That's pretty cool. Take it. Alright, 2 packs left. I still don't think I've got a full art. I should still get one in this box. It's coming down the last 2 packs. Or am I unlucky and I'm not going to get one? Ah, we get a Greta as a full art. Ah, that's what I get as my full art. I don't get a Pokemon. I get a Greta. So, that was probably my last hit. Still gonna go to this last pack. But not looking good. That card. Okay, let's just. Nope, and Thundurus. Yep. No Charizard in this thing, unfortunately. If you guys did like the video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.